Check in the text below, and also in the comments, I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Kim Townsel here. If you watch my channel, you know that I adore popcorn. I have several popcorn reviews up, and my favorite popcorn seasonings and salts up. I have this Pop Secret 100 calorie popcorn to try. I really look forward to it. So stick around and we'll see what we think about this. Pop Secret 100 calorie snack size. I got mine on Amazon. Subscribe and save, and paid $3.65 in March of 2023. It's supposed to have classic butter taste. It's for the microwave. You have 12 pouches. No artificial preservatives, flavors, or dyes. We have 100 calories per bag popped. It's 120 if you eat it unpopped. Okay. I guess that means that 20 calories are going to be hanging out in the bag that you don't eat. 2 grams of protein. Not really anything else. Popcorn is a pretty good source of fiber. Here's your ingredient list. Here's your manufacturer's information. So less than 4 minutes, some bags will be done in 1.5 minutes. Do not use the popcorn button on your microwave. Center the bag on the turntable or the floor of the microwave. Start microwave. Stop the microwave when the popping slows down about 1 second between pops. Open carefully. The bag is hot because of steam. Pick up the bag from the bottom. Open the bag away from your face and your body so the steam does not go into your face or your body. See bag for complete directions. Don't give it to babies or toddlers. Choking hazard. It's 12 little snack-sized bags. Just to pick up here, I open mine and kind of make like a little donut shape of the popcorn. It says most will be done in fewer than 3 minutes. Should say fewer than. Some bags will be done in less than 1.5 minutes. I'm going to put it on because I have popcorn about this size for 1.5 minutes. See what happens. Half's close. It has sort of an artificial smell to it. Let's see what it tastes like. Tastes good. Not bad. First bag at 1 minute and 30 seconds, 90 seconds in a 1000-watt microwave. This is the kernels that are left. So I'm thinking for this and my microwave, maybe 1 minute and 40 seconds. Let's test that theory. That sounds better. There are those 20 calories of fat stuck to the bag that don't go in our body. Pretty stuff, isn't it? Yum. That's all that's left after 1 minute and 40 seconds. I think we found our time. Thank you for watching my review of the Pop Secret 100-calorie snack size butter flavored popcorn. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to subscribe to my channel or playlist. It's free to leave a comment. And if you have time before you go, watch another video. Remember to check in the link below, and I'll provide a link on how you can get yourself this popcorn, perhaps some other type. And until we meet again, let's just help each other find the tasty things in life. Thanks so much.